This episode is brought to you by our friends at Hover, the easiest way to buy domain names and do more with them. Get 10% off today by visiting hover.com/butterscotch.
Hey, I'm Andy Walker with Butterscotch.com here at CES 2011. I'm in the Sharp booth with Abram Chirin. How are you?
Good, thanks.
Good. Over my shoulder here is something called the iCubed. I guess you guys should call it the Cubed. An amazing new product. Sort of displays 3D immersive experience for what, airports and that kind of thing?
Well, at this point now, it's a very experiential thing. What we want to see with this is where we can use it in commercial applications.
Mm-hmm.
You can imagine something like that, and the kind of immersive experience that it offers. There's a lot of applications that we could use it for. Most definitely not a residential type experience unless you've got lots of money.
Big house.
Yes, but definitely, I'd be interested to see how that works in car dealerships or, high-end furniture stores. Those kind of applications would be interesting.
Now it's built with 16 panels on each wall.
Yeah.
Is that right? And it has those models are very, very thin bezel, right?
Basically, it's an LED TV, LED backlit television with a very thin bezel around it.
Yeah.
So you can place these panels very close to each other without really seeing the entire bezel. So it looks like one giant screen.
Right, very good.
And what we've done here is that you've built in a immersive experience, so you see the sides, the top and the bottom as well. So it's like you're having everything around you.
Amazing.
It's a real 3D experience.
So really sort of an investigation type product right now.
Yeah.
People may see it pop up, in almost any public place that they may go.
Right. And the other aspect for this is the actual monitors themselves can be made into a video wall as we have in the front of the booth. So that's a real commercial display application.
Very cool. All right, well, thank you, everyone. It's amazing.
Thanks.
All right, so that's the iCubed from Sharp here at CES 2011.
This episode is brought to you by our friends at Hover, the easiest way to buy domain names and do more with them. Get 10% off today by visiting hover.com/butterscotch.